boleh? shibu kolokwanu ranu letzi ni shama tishi bemu bisi ashibudu ngama bemu bile. If you can, what would be one thing you can want to change among our Lisu people and why?
Lisu Miss America des Gadiama, Yuhugasu, Joazu, Bono, Kushamolo, Benishala, Santishinya, the Wawatikwa, Lisu, Zulong by God, the Chilama, Topetola, Nina Bono, Dagami, Kushamalo, Nima Shislam, the Dalonia Gadiama, Kushamol, Benishala, so I want to tell Zumuliamania, so Lisu Shunegua, so.
So Lisu shila alishidano Lisu ni shala abido ashibuni ngabo male bemadele
ngalo zo Lisu shibunya akumia dola kukwaloma tilo mia dola kwa sani tipo kwa ngami gozo manya matasa vladio matasa ito akatalo ma banya ida mia doalo zanya pula shila kwa bingami ina puma matasa kamia mia ni kwa balanga ina puma kazola dio beta kamia dogwa gomanya zone kwa zo mapima tishimalo goma puto zo Lisu ida ni la bozo shio goma delo gosani la na me ni kwanya zo tilo mia doama mazo tishishikwa ngami ida la kotsanya ni fini lele ni ma wole lebi ida duile bi
maybe let me da kushamalo sai maybe ha lede na nama bagu lagale number amnya mawama da betul. Okay, maybe hali zoom mana question number 4 ngalo. E question mother. Judge bia tolu bia yoshugabi nani gale. It's question number 4.
Hi. If you have power, what would be the one thing that you would do for Lisu people and why?
Thank you for the question. If I have power, I would like to do educational for change, education for Lisu people to be successful and to come together and to come stronger as we are right now, more than this, to be united. Thank you.
Maybe halida kushamalo. Amana maybe ami sade unishalo. Ami sa zumama nambana na batsangalo. Temade Mapa samui gwabi nani gule. Question number 2.
Question number 2. Mite suma nuzu henigwa no ashi pilani shala ashi budu mala. Okay, where do you want to see yourself in the future as a Lisu girl? Would you describe it?
Wanya ti matashiwa wan yinisha manya wan future manya bishoboma ti aku zoma Association:
also Lisu Schule Gusche thematische Iwale Lisu mo ati besa lomo ꓮ-佗အရန်သိငယ်လုံးနဲ့ကိုယ့်ရဲ့လီဆူလူမျိုးကိုꓮ-佗ကနေကူညီပံ့ပိုးနိုင်တဲ့လူတယောက်ဖြစ်ဖို့ပေါ့နော်ပြီးတော့လေကိုယ့်ရဲ့လီဆူရဲ့ရိုးရာ culture တွေကအရန်နဲ့ cute ပဲပေါ့နော်အရန် cute တယ်ပြီးတော့ကိုယ့်ရဲ့ဒီ generation တွေနောက်လာမယ့် generation တွေကိုလည်းဒီရိုးရာလေးမပြတ်အောင်ပေါ့နော်သူတို့ကိုပံ့ပိုးချင်ပါတယ်လို့ꓮ-佗လေးကနေပေါ့နော်တဲတပွင့်အုတ်တစ်ချက်အနေနဲ့ပေါ့နော်ပါဝင်နိုင်လို့ရှိရင်ပေါ့နော်ပါဝင်ပေးချင်ပါတယ်ဆာမို
အမနာဒီခရစ်စတီနာလည်းဘာမို့ဒီခရစ်စတီနာNama number 3 lo church awu mi kwa bi nani gele shamalo
Lisu mubi tiro kwa bi Lisu ꓮ-佗-䓮 What would you like to tell Lisu young people as a Miss Lisu USA?
Thank you so much for the question and giving me the time. The one thing I'd like to encourage our generation, my generation, is to prioritize and to take education seriously. That is the only thing.
Maybe Christina, that's the shamalo. Amana, maybe cha-cha. That's what I like. Shamalo. Maybe cha-cha, Zumemana number 3 lo, Totima Rutewabi, Nanigale, Shamalo.
Question number 7, Manya. How important is unity for our Lisu people and why? Zo Lisu ꓮ-佗-佗-佗 akse yojelo ashibadonala
Ajizokova Nawa yo Lisu ꓮ-佗-佗-佗 nama tia yejitangalo alingasa beta social issue la nama biuna tiyo tiyo nino lego sopo lego gomo lego tasuni gomo la mangalo gomo budoni yo dile tiyo tiyo mole fama akai jita be definition no ajita kasamo
Amana maybe Jenny Piabavi Temasalano The number that Jenny picked is question number 9. Judge Tsolu Biayo Shugwabi Nanigale Shamalo. It's question number 9.
So the question is, what do you think is the biggest danger for Lisu people, and how can we prevent or solve?
Thank you for your question. I think because we talk about our youth a lot in every conversation that we have, our biggest danger is not making sure that they have the help that they need every step of the way, especially because a lot of the kids will be first-generation college students, and I'm lucky to be second-generation college student, and I had my parents as an example, but it would have been hard without my siblings to help me. So some kids just having help with each other, and I know we all treat each other like we're all family, so helping each other out would be something that I want to do, and I don't want to risk children's futures just because they weren't told that there was opportunities out there for them. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Amana maybe Pilili Migwabi Nasu Tmasule. maybe pililimi zumama number hinalo mi babi nanigla shamalo.
How important is it for you to attend this conference, the 5th Lisu American Association Conference, and why? Lisu by Talanama no bugu akachi yojala ꓮ-䓮-ꓬ
the conference ka pathamazong tete ani bono asian ko wen ta mi ye abla so di ma shi ye bono the United States ma shi ye Lisu ye along ga su we we ne bono economy ta haya phwe khwin yare a pi yo di adhika arpin mo di Lisu culture ye bono chama ye culture heritage ye ko amwe ne de ko thein thai ne acha ri ko chama ro pya nai ne bono ai di time me di akhu generation ma pha ro ka di pwe ri ko lo ta lo be chama ro next generation ne ko le di pwe lo ko twa myaw lai ne ayan a yi ji ye bo no di pwe phit de a kaung long su su we ne myin ai twat ayan wan ta ba ye. Thank you. Amana mi bi that masalit. Mimi mama question number 2 ngalo chotima rutu gabi nani gele shamalo.
Hello. How do you define beauty for a person? Bialo bema no beauty ashingala.
Thank you for your question. Beauty, personally to me, doesn't really have a set definition because as you can see behind me, all these beautiful girls, they're not the same and they're all unique and different in their own way. So it would be really hard for me to say, oh, this is beauty. And I see a lot of beautiful faces out in the audience and among our judges as well. So to say that beauty is one thing is very kind of like closed-minded, I guess, and you have to look out to see and be open-minded to all the different people around you to see what their definition of beauty is as well. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Maybe Momoli Satamana, question number 5 ngalo. Mapa Samui Babi Nanyingala Kishamalu Mapa.
Question number 5, right? Vusanya nute ashipudu Lisu tigo pila zela. Vusa Doji ashi jwalobi nudjala. Why do you think God created you to be Lisu? What would you be the purpose?
A question very well. Kushamoa. Vasani atani ngade Lisu ti yoga zalaba ma jamunete. Vasani ngade purpose ti ma jo eli jamoa lo. Atani beta tine nandano community kwa june. Tontawe lutia pine phatikinga busang bichi mare lo timing sa ba he. Aje sada kushamoa.
Maybe Momoli there kushamalo. Amana maybe Salumi. Teswala Masigala Shamalo. Okay, maybe Salumi Zumanamana, question number 6 ngalo. Awumi Babi Naningala Shamalo.
Nunya Lisu ngama pedu no akachi ni kwashala ashepudu ngalo. Are you proud of being a Lisu girl and explain why?
ဟုတ်ကဲ့ကျွန်မလီဆူလူမျိုးတယောက်ဖြစ်ရတဲ့အတွက်ကြောင့်မလို့ကျွန်မဂုဏ်ယူပါတယ်ကျွန်မမွေးလာကြတဲ့လီဆူဖြစ်လာတဲ့အတွက်ကြောင့်မလို့ကျွန်မလီဆူမဖြစ်ချင်ဘူးလို့ပြောလို့မရဘူးဒါကြောင့်မလို့ကျွန်မရဲ့ဖြစ်တည်တဲ့ပုံမှာကျွန်မဂုဏ်ယူရဲပြီးတော့ကျွန်မရောက်တဲ့နေရာတိုင်းမှာလီဆူလေးရှိတဲ့လူတွေအကုန်လုံးကကျွန်မအသေးစိတ်တက်ဆက်အကူညီမစားတဲ့အားပေးစကားပြောရဲအဲဒါကြောင့်မလို့ကျွန်မအရင်ကျေးဇူးတင်တယ်ဟုတ်ကဲ့
ဆာလိုမီတာဖိရှာမလို့အမနာလူရဲ့တဇမမီဘီမဲတဲ့ဖောင်းMaybe maybe Zuma mana number 11 alo tumade tolu byayo shubabi nani gele shamalo
Hi, what is your favorite Lisu culture and why?
Okay, thank you so much for your questions. That's my last question, so I got the best. Okay, so you said what is my favorite culture about Lisu? Alright, my favorite culture about Lisu is that we all have beautiful colors, like it's very different. Look at all the beautiful ladies, it's all different. So that's really defining where we're from, like looking at me, this is ꓮ-䓮-ꓬ-ꓮ. So you can see with the colors, you can tell where it's from in the traditional and the history. That's what I really about it. That's what I really like about it. Also, another thing what I like about it is that we're all so united. Like literally, it's my second time conference here in LA, and a lot of people say hi to me, like even though I didn't know them before. Like I made a lot of new friends, even participating in this thing. Yeah, I like that we're all united. We always come together. We're sharing our differences together in our beautiful traditional dresses. Thank you.
Amana Lisu Bibiru Ajisu latest performance latest walk ꓮ-䓮 ꓮ-䓮 Dui Betana Voti sorry Judge Bu Tamaya Detana performance wango that performance dena mama Joanna Gwabi ili hugla mo hugla ajisu le pad sini mi bi ajisu de